Nani's glasses.
Nani's glasses.
Nani lost
Nani lost
her glasses
her glasses
and she
and she
could not
could not
find them.
find them.
Nani keeps
Nani keeps
losing her
losing her
glasses.
glasses.
Where did
Where did
I keep them?
I keep them?
She always
She always
asks.
asks.
So she
So she
needs me
needs me
to be
to be
her eyes,
her eyes,
to find
to find
her own eyes.
her own eyes.
Sometimes
Sometimes
her glasses
her glasses
are in the
are in the
bathroom.
bathroom.
Sometimes
Sometimes
on her bed.
on her bed.
And
And
sometimes
sometimes
on her head.
on her head.
I looked
I looked
everywhere.
everywhere.
In all
In all
the usual
the usual
places.
places.
On her head,
On her head.
in the
The
bathroom,
bathroom.
inside
Inside
the cupboard,
the cupboard.
and
And
on the bed.
on the bed.
I also
I also
looked
looked
under her
under her
favorite
favorite
chair
chair
and
and
on
on
the dining
the dining
table.
table.
No glasses,
No glasses,
no luck.
no love.
I asked
I asked
her
her
what she
what she
had done
had done
the
the
whole day.
whole day.
She said,
She said,
I did
I did
nothing
nothing
much
much
today.
today.
Some cooking
Some cooking
in the
in the
kitchen
kitchen
and
and
some work
some work
in the
in the
garden.
garden.
Then I
Then I
spent
spent
time in
time in
reading
reading
and
and
knitting.
knitting.
Now
Now
I had
I have
many clues.
many clues.
I quickly
I quickly
looked
looked
around new
around new
places
places
in the house.
in the house.
Aha!
Aha!
I found
I found
the missing
the missing
glasses.
glasses.
The glasses
The glasses
were
were
wrapped
wrapped
in the
in the
knitting yarn.